Cucumbers are carefully stored and packaged to keep them fresh and natural in flavor. Preserving cucumbers after harvest ensures that they retain their freshness and best flavor, adding appeal and nutritional value to each piece of cucumber. Lemons are often praised for their pleasant sour taste combined with a delicate aroma, creating a stimulating experience for the taste and smell senses. Using lemon as the main ingredient in many cocktails, desserts, or as a spice for country dishes or seafood creates unique and attractive dishes. Do you often use them? Please comment down below, okay? Imagine you are standing in this modern production line. Are you overwhelmed by its advanced modernity? Modern production lines bring flexibility and diversification in production. It can be adapted to produce a variety of products. Tomatoes. With their bright red color, tomatoes are not only a powerful source of lycopene, but also an indispensable ingredient in many different dishes. The freshness and unique flavor of tomatoes really makes every dish attractive and delicious. With a special design structure, the laminar flow washing machine uses strong water flow to remove dirt and impurities from the surface of the product. At the same time, after being washed, the product not only. Video provides a comprehensive view of the sweet potato washing, polishing, drying, sorting, and packaging line. The steps are performed automatically and effectively, ensuring food hygiene and safety. This line helps improve productivity and product quality while reducing labor costs. Imagine if you stood in this modern chain, would you feel overwhelmed by its beauty? This line is not only a technologically advanced machine, but also a symbol of creativity and progress in the food industry. Packaging many cucumbers is an important process in preserving and protecting the quality of the product. Every time we open a package, we always witness beautiful little cucumbers, well preserved in a discreet space, keeping their fresh flavor and crispness. This packaging process is not only to protect the product, but also a way to keep the cucumbers fresh, crisp, and attractive. Each package is packed with delicious moments and the convenience of enjoying a healthy snack. This also shows the manufacturer's interest in providing consumers with the highest quality products possible. The sight of bell peppers in all kinds of colors on a necklace is a fun and colorful experience. Looking at each fresh green vegetable stalk moving on the conveyor belt, you cannot help but be impressed by the freshness and natural vitality they bring. Each vegetable stem with its bright green color. Flexible robot arms quickly pick up each skewer of meat, drenched in sauce, and arrange it neatly in the tray. Wow! This robot arm is so clever. It cherishes each stick of meat as if it were a precious item. 10. This machine is designed to integrate seamlessly with the rest of the production line, to create a highly efficient full-line solution for the food industry. Fresh honey is a natural product produced by beekeeping.